By the end of this video, you will know how to view your Gusto company details page. Start from the main home dashboard in Gusto. This guide assumes you are already signed in, so once you are on the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. That area includes your company name, which is the entry point to your company profile. Click your company name to continue. After you select it, Gusto will open your company profile page. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for it to finish before moving on. You are now in the part of Gusto where your company profile information is organized in two sections. On the left side of the company profile page, find the Information section. This menu holds the profile categories related to your company record. Under Information, click Details. Make sure you choose Details from that left side menu, since that is where the company information appears. Once the Details page opens, you will see the company information that is available for your account. This page displays key business details in one place. Depending on your setup, that can include your legal name, your trade name, and your website. These fields are shown for review on the details page, so this is the screen to use when you need to check how your company information appears in Gusto. Take a moment to look through the information shown on this page. The legal name refers to the official business name on record. The trade name shows the name your company may use publicly if it is different. The website field shows the web address listed for the company if one has been added. The exact items visible can depend on the information available in your account, but the details page is where these company details are presented. Below the company details, you can also view the signatory section. If you scroll down on the same page, that section appears beneath the main company information. This area lets you review the signatory information associated with the company profile. If you do not see it immediately, continue down the page until it comes into view. At this point, you have reached the page that contains both your company details and the signatory section. If your goal was to confirm company profile information, this is the location you will return to from the home dashboard by selecting your company name and then opening Details under Information. Thanks for watching. Your Gusto company details page is now open, with your available company information and signatory section visible.